A family living without heat is shivering in this early taste of winter.
And the landlord's answer about getting the furnace fixed is even colder.
7 Action News reporter Andrea Isom live with the struggle for this family to stay warm. Andrea?
Oh, what a struggle. I want to give you guys a perfect example. Right now, I'm live inside one of our news vans. No carpeting, no insulation. The heat is off and the doors are wide open, and it's a lot warmer in here than it was this morning in her house.
I am beyond.
She is Miss Cooper, and this hard-working Detroiter does not mince words because she is freezing and she is furious. And her story starts like this.
The temperature started dropping. So I went to turn, the heat on.
Now she tells us there are some other issues since she's moved into this rental in September. But winter is coming, and she and her daughter need some refuge from the cold. That's why when this sucker didn't turn on, she called maintenance, and they came.
He said, I don't think I could fix this.
Well, then Miss Cooper called the property management company again.
I was like, hey, I'm still without a furnace, man. My daughter is cold in this house. So I called them back. Royal Wells Property say, well, we waiting on the owner to give us the approval.
To fix the broken furnace that is well beyond beat up, which according to this recent paperwork, the property was cited by the city of Detroit, requiring the heating equipment to be safe and operable.
How many days right now without heat?
30.
They did give her a space heater, and a friend did too. However,
but as soon as I plugged it up, it blew all the fuses.
And she's using a bunch of blankets, but...
Is that enough?
No.
Plus, she's even been trying to stuff the holes in the walls with cardboard to keep the chill out.
That's not going to do it, Tootsie. That's not going to keep it out. Let me see.
No.
I mean, first of all, it's unacceptable. Period.
So I called the property management company, and I was appalled by what I was told on the phone by property manager Steve. Here it goes. The actual homeowner lives out of the country and claims he is broke and does not have money to fix the Cooper family's furnace at all.
Now I'm really fed up.
Well, of course she's fed up, and you know what? Here's the deal. She says she prides herself on paying her rent and being a very good tenant, and I have some good news, and thank goodness I do. The property management company here in Birmingham says they will work with her to get her an apartment or a home in her price range with heat. Reporting live, I'm Andrea Isom, 7 Action News.
Well, I hope that is true, and I know we're going to continue to check on that woman there. Thank you so much, Andrea.